Alright guys, welcome back to another watching. And if you just watched my last box opening, you know this is something exciting here. Before we get to that, you'll actually see I still have on the Nodus that I just got and just opened up for my watchgang black. Now, also I'm guessing if you saw the title and clicked on this video, you know that I won one of the Rolexes that watchgang gives away. Now, watchgang gives away tags on Tuesday, Rolexes on Friday, and they started doing Seiko Saturdays. They also, at one point, the owner Matt had said he was going to start giving away an additional Rolex to members that have been with the company for over a year. Let me open this off camera real quick just to see what it is, make sure there's no crazy personal information. But we have certificate of authenticity. So it looks like it's going to be a date just. Enough of the paperwork. We're going to open this thing up here. Oops. So the way I won, I actually won one of the watches that they give away to members that have been with the company for over a year. So let me say, if you want a Rolex, there's better ways to do it than to be a member for over a year in hopes of winning. But that being said, I'm super excited about it. The day I actually won this, they gave away 6 Rolexes, and I was shocked to hear my name called, and I was shocked to hear or see my name pop up on the screen, and I was super excited. Now, to be honest, I'm not super into two-tone gold watches or two-tone watches, so this will be interesting because I don't know if this is one that I will end up keeping. Now, the interesting thing is, I definitely could have bought Rolex by now for all the watches I've done, but of course, like everyone else, every week I pray my name pops up, and it finally did. Like I said, I'm not sure that this is one that I will normally wear or keep. I don't know a ton about this watch, honestly, so I'll do some lookup. It'll be interesting to see what it says. But yeah, how cool is that? Now, the funny thing is, I debated on doing a video for this, honestly, because I know the first thing everyone's going to say is, you won it because you do videos for watchgang. These guys have given away an insane amount of Rolexes. And I'll link to the winners of Tag Tuesday winners, the Rolex winners. I was on there today and noticed that they haven't updated it in a little while, so that's a little disappointing. But I was hoping to see my name in that list. But they still give away a Rolex every Friday to members, and they do give away once a month a Rolex to members that have been with them for over a year. Now, I mean, I don't know how many members have been with them over a year, but my odds were definitely better for this. It's really cool. I mean, it's not necessarily my flavor of Rolex, but who's going to complain? I will say, of course, you had to get a W-9, and I've got to pay the taxes on it because it's valued over $600. I believe watchgang values the Rolexes they give away between $1,500 and $5,000. They're, as far as I know, they're all pre-owned. I don't know that they give away any new ones, but pretty cool. I will do some research on this and see what I can find out. I won because I've been a member well over a year, and I've seen people that have signed up and won before even receiving their first watch. So once you sign up with watchgang, even if you haven't gotten a watch yet, you are eligible for all of the drawings. Now, the Seiko Saturday, you got to do a little bit different stuff to be eligible, but you're eligible for the Rolex and the tags. So I know this video went a little bit longer than my normal box opening. I hope you guys are excited for me and not just cussing me out because I actually won one. But I will do a little bit more research on this one, and stay tuned for the follow-up. As always, guys, thanks for watching.